Hi guys! Ngayon is a Shavuot holiday. So, kailangan kakain tayo ng dairy product. So, what I'm going to do now is to make the pizza pie in it. Here is my dough for a pizza pie. Okay? Yes. Ini, a dough. So, medyo malagkit pa. Kailangan dagdagan ng flour. Okay. This is the way I make. Yes. So, ganda ng... So, kasi may machine ako na nagagawa ng pizza pie at saka bread. So, gagawin ko ito para sa hug of Shavuot. So, i-ano ko ito. Konting oil, konting para tapos aalsa ito mamaya kasi ganda ang buko. Oh, right? So, mga dalawang plate ito ng pizza pie. Okay, that's it. So, gagawa muna natin at saka mag-wait tayo ng ilang. So, So, abangan ninyo mamaya ang finished product.